In the beginning, if I knew what I know now about key levels, trust me, it would do a world of good. Sometimes, it's never too late. It's just how you start, but it's never too late to get your foot on the right path because everything adds up, right? Welcome back, my peeps. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, what's up? Hope everything is well with y'all. Hoping that you're progressing in your trading journey. I'm Jeffrey.
I'm Carrie.
Yeah, man. So today we're gonna just basically go through some basic key levels with you. In the beginning, if I knew what I know now about key levels, trust me, it would do a world of good. Sometimes, it's never too late. It's just how you start, but it's never too late to get your foot on the right path because everything adds up, right? And sometimes you start something and you're kind of all over the place, and key levels is definitely a great understanding when it comes down to market structure. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna basically jump on the chart, and Kerry's gonna do most of the explanation because I just love to hear when she's explaining stuff. She comes with clarity. You get me? So I'm gonna just pop her on, and we're gonna basically explain key levels with y'all. And remember, if you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and
Yeah.
if there is anything that you would like us to explain to you guys, we'll definitely go out of our way to do this, right, love?
Yeah, 100%. Always remember that, this channel is, designed to elevate, empower, and educate. Now, anything on the line of money, we got you. Anything on the line of
Yeah.
money. And we've literally created a whole Discord community where we're helping to actually build wealth amongst our people. So if that's something that you want to be a part of, definitely click that Discord link and join our new community that we've basically started to grow with, people who really want to elevate. I don't say people who want to waste time, but people who truly want to elevate. So elevation is the goal, and if that's something that we have in common, you're free to join our community. All right, so literally we're gonna hop on the charts and show you how to identify your key levels because we got you. We know that this is very important for your trading journey, so let's get right all into right it. So we're literally going to be diving into identifying our key
Key.
levels. So we're pretty much on the 4 hour time frame for UJ. So I don't know if you trade UJ, but drop a comment below if you actually trade UJ. It's really a good pair to trade if you do. Now, pretty much this is, our chart. And we're going to be kind of zoning in on these key levels that you can literally use to identify what price is actually doing. Right? So let's start from the top area of our zone. And I like to use our horizontal line, so I'll tap there because that's pretty much a key level. So a key level is really where you see price constantly tapping on, right? Oftentimes you see those wicks, right? Your key levels generally show you those wicks coming up from there. And if I zoom in to the top side where this is, right? I currently have the Heikinashi candles on. right? So right at the top level, you'd have seen where price came, tap the zone,
Bounce back.
reject, exactly, rejected, and obviously it came back to kind of look like it's formed what we call a double top, right? Now, pretty much you want to identify these areas that price is constantly tapping on. So these would literally be your key levels. So we're looking at this week here. We definitely want to kind of identify where this is. So we put another area here. And if we look, what happened? Price literally came to this area, right? It was previously resistance, it became
Support.
support, right? So these are key things to look out for. As I said, you can clearly see the double top formation here. And we do know with the double top formation, market is going, prices are going where?
Down.
Down, right? Clear double top indicating that price is going to
It's
be
going down, down, down,
falling.
down.
It's going down, yeah? All right. Pretty much we want to go in again and identify what else is there.
And this
So,
is on the 4 hour time frame,
yeah.
as
So,
you can see.
another key area here because price tapped it here. We had a little bit here as well, and it came back, right? And if we keep going, right, remember we're identifying key levels, meaning that key areas in which price constantly taps from, right? That's all it is. And this is really a nice thing to do with your trading. It provides a lot of perspective on market structure, right? So we see key level here was resistance here when it came through. We had a little bit of consolidation going on right here. If you want to go in, a bit of consolidation, market moving sideways, right? And then pretty much you would have seen where, even the wick here is telling you major rejection, and then we had a continuation. So pretty much you want to be identifying these areas, right? Sometimes you may get a little bit of slippage, especially with these Heikenhashi candles, right? Now, let's go again. You've got here, right here, there, price tap there, right? Some individuals will identify here as well as a key level. And by all means, sometimes you're not going to get all of them, right? But the very important ones you must highlight, right? Because you can see where price literally, was here, right? Support. There's a bit of support here for the market. And it became a bit of resistance at the same level over here. Do you see that? Support now became resistance. Okay. All right. So as I said, marking these key levels literally give you a lot of perspective on your trades, and it gives you a lot of
Yeah.
perspective, to be really honest. All right. I hope you're clearly seeing what's happening here, right? Literally, price was consolidating right around this key level, right? Once it broke through, it came back and retest the same level. There we go. Came back. Beautiful area here. Another touch. Broke through, right? And once it broke through, where is it heading? To the next key level, right? There we go. So could be here, which is where that little red wick
Yeah.
is.
A little bit of more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there we go. So you got that touch, another touch right there. right? And this is pretty much how you go through your charts and identify your key levels, because this kind of shows you, what price is actually doing. This is what you use to speak to price, yeah, and price used to speak to you. Oh, I'm at the key level. What am I gonna do? Am I going to break through? Am I gonna break and retest, or am I gonna go with, a nice continuation move? So there we go, another nice level here being respected, right? Another nice level here, showing some amount of support as well here. Okay, so pretty much you want to be identifying these throughout. We know that with the rest, let's just finish it off because this is our low. Yep. And we had a nice little one right here. Perfect. Yeah. So this kind of gives you a lot of perspective in terms of what price is doing. We know that you can clearly see each time price taps these levels, there is some amount of push up or push down depending on where we are in on the charts. Right. So we're making our way back to this actual level to the top side. Right. I can use an arrow so that you can clearly see. Right, we're making our way here, but in making our way here, we could literally have a lot of pullback.
Pullbacks,
So
correct.
market come here, probably pull back a bit, right? uh Hold on. Yeah. And it could even literally go here and then have that nice little pullback right here, and then of course move nicely on to the upside, right? So you can have a move like that. So pretty much we know that with understanding these levels, these are really what we can literally use to kind of give a nice indication of what price is wanting to do. Right? So identify your key levels. You need to be identifying your key levels. If you're a trader, your key levels are very important, right? Identify these levels of, support and resistance, so to speak, and add other confluences to kind of make your trade probability and, a little bit higher than just using key levels only. Okay, so key levels very much important for your trading journey, and we definitely recommend that you use your key levels to kind of dominate the market and master it with confidence. Another key thing that we want you to do is drop a comment below on something that you'd like for us to go over with you. Let us know, because definitely we'll use that and teach you what you really want to know. So drop a comment below with whatever it is that you want us to discuss within trading, and we'll definitely get that video made for you. But we do hope you understand key levels a little bit better. It's pretty much where price is constantly tapping to and from, right? And these are great to identify, to solidify your trading experience, and to help to enhance your wins. Okay, so pretty much remember to
Like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, because we're definitely taking the time out to do these contents so that we can educate you all, right? So yeah, so if it doesn't break a finger, you can give a subscribe, and like she said, drop a comment on something that you would like us to post, and definitely we will post it. Right, key level is very important to market structure, very very important. And if you're new to this, you can just tune in, because these videos are basically the footprint of getting to be a better trader. So mark up your charts, very very important. And there's other confluence that you're going to use, so you can't just use key levels, there's more to it. But step by step, day by day, you will get better. Remember, just keep going, just keep going, just keep going. You will get better at it, right? Don't rush the process. Trust the process and practice, 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 practice. Mark up the charts, man. Mark
Yeah.
up your charts.
Every single day, come to your charts, find a pair, mark it up, and that's how you're going to get better. Remember that trading, does provide great opportunities, but the effort that you do put in will help to actually make your wins more and to kind of limit your losses. You're gonna lose,
That's
but
true.
you have to
Definitely.
understand that this is calculated risk. And once you're identifying these areas along with your other confluences, you will get it. It becomes inevitable for you to get it once you never quit. So keep going no matter what. Keep pushing. It may be hard, but it's really a rewarding journey at the end. There's light at the end of the tunnel. We'll be back real soon.
Real quick.